Hi Capricorns, today I am going to do a Celtic cross session for you. How is this week to be? What you can do the best for making it more better. So the first card tells about your present energy and what crosses it. The second card, your past, your recent past, your recent future, any solution for your issues, your inner feelings, your environment, your fears and hopes, and the final great card, the outcome. The first card, your energy, is 10 of Cups. This card says that you have the inner heart attached to your family, your children, your immediate family and all. Your heart is there, so your main priority is your family. And what crossing is again 10 of Pentacles. It says that there is some issue in your family life that you want to attain a happy family, a happy, understandable family, where all the relationships and all the people in the family have a common goal and common understanding between each other. Maybe you are lacking that, so you have that in your mind that you want to achieve it by any means. The reason behind it is 8 of Swords. It says that recent something has happened in your life, unexpected things has happened in your life that has caused some tensions in your family affair or attaining unity in your family. There had been some issues, some unexpected and unavoidable things has happened. The recent past, the Chariot card says, and after that major massive thing happened, now things are somewhat limping back to normalcy. Such is the condition now. Your recent future is 8 of Cups. It says that even though things are little bit better now, but your mental capacity is draining out. You are not able to cope up with the changes which has happened in your past by not getting the good rapport with your family members, or there is no much unity in your family, so you want to walk away somewhere where you can get some peace because there is no peace at home. So such, and also you want to walk away from the relationship because nothing is becoming normal and nothing is happening, so you want to walk away. So what the best you can do is you take some time for yourself and think about it, what the best you can do, and rather than moving away from the relationship, it is better that you give some time for the relationship to heal, and you take your inner knowledge and your inner gut feeling to give you the best answers. That is this card telling. What is your inner heart says? Your inner heart says that there had been some disastrous thing happened in your life, so it can't be mended up. That is your inner feeling, what you have. You are not able to digest it. What your environment says is 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords says that your environment doesn't give you any opportunity to heal the relationship. It has gone beyond your control. Such are the energies. Your inner fears and hopes is Queen of Wands. Your inner hopes is that you can somehow manage to make them somewhat better. You have the capacity. You are targeting on some person in your life who can really bring some magic in your life, because the Queen card, the court cards always says that you have someone in your mind. You have put the trust on some woman in your life, maybe your mother, your sister, or your mentor, or your boss, someone we can't say, even your friend. You have trust in them that they can bring back the normalcy and balance in your life. You have, if anyone you have in your mind someone like that, you can have take their help and heal this issue. That's what this card says. What is your final outcome? Let's see. 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles says that the outcome may be 50-50. It can be good, it can be bad. We can't say. because the main thing depends on the person who is going to do the reconciliation between you and your family. It depends on them, so we have to, I will take a extra card for you for clarification what the best you can do for it. Card is Seven of Swords. It says that the person you are depending may not be that genuine, so the outcome may not be that positive, but it depends upon your personal chart also, guys, so don't get disheartened. There is always a way after a major thing, so let's hope for the best. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.